Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit with Janani. Hope you all are doing well. So today is all going to be about a one brand review. So it's been a while since we did, right? So today I'm going to speak about the Dot and Key products. So here are these. There are many more products, but I don't want it to be a very long video. So this is part one of one brand review, which is Dot and Key. So let's get started without any further delay. So I have picked the random products that are right in my cupboard, guys. It's not any particular category or my favorite or unfavorite picks. So these are some of the random products that I've tried from Dot & Key. First, I'm going to speak about their face washes. So I have three of the variants which I've tried. First one is the Barrier Repair, which is the blue color one. The Vitamin C plus E Brightening one, which is the orange color. And the Cica Calming Face Wash, which is in green color. So these are the packages. And I absolutely love how they have opted for pastel color options. It's a beautiful classic packaging, face wash packaging. And yeah, first let's just talk about each one of these. First one is this Barrier Repair face wash. It is great for all skin types. It is super hydrating and it does not dry it out. A little quantity goes a long way, and for just 100 ml it's so affordable, guys. It's just around rupees 249. Yeah, my entire family absolutely love this, and we have emptied like more than 7 to 8 tubes, and we are continuously using, especially in my AM routine. So these are so good, great for all skin types, especially for normal to dry skin type. So you can definitely check this one out. Next variant is their Vitamin C plus E Brightening Face Wash. So it contains blood orange and niacinamide in it. Also in this blue variant, which is the Barrier, it has probiotics and 5 essential ceramides in it. So these are amazing, great ingredients to be included in our skincare routine, right? So just coming back to this face wash, it is again quite simple. Yeah, it is great as a face wash. It works well and it costs around the same as the other variants, but I just dislike the fragrance of this. It has fruity, orangey kind of a fragrance because of its vitamin C as a key ingredient in it. But yeah, if you dislike orangey, citrusy fragrance, then you can definitely skip this one out. But otherwise, it has almost the same job of cleansing our skin so well. Now the third variant that I've tried is a Cica Calming Face Wash, which has salicylic acid and green tea in it. It's great for oily or any type of acne prone skin. So this is so good. Again, I have acne prone skin and oily skin, so this is my absolute favorite. Almost in my alternative PM routine, I include salicylic acid face wash, and this is one of my favorite for sure because little goes a long way. It is affordable. It does not have much of the fragrance as the vitamin C variant has, so it's great and I absolutely love it. And all of these face washes except for the orange variant, both of these variants I would give it a 10 on 10 for sure, and for the vitamin C brightening variant I would give it a 9 on 10. Next, let's speak about their moisturizer. So today I have the Barrier Repair Cream, which is an absolute IG viral influencer favorite cream. So I have this one, and I have the Dot & Key 72-hour probiotic gel, and again this is a Instagram fave moisturizer, and it is viral for a reason for sure. And then I have the Watermelon Super Glow Matte Moisturizer, and lastly I have the mini version of the once again Cica Calming Night Gel. So let's just pick one by one. First, let me just speak about the 72-hour hydrating gel, which has probiotics, and this is how the packaging looks like. I absolutely adore Dot & Key's packaging, guys. This beautiful cap is so well designed. It has a transparent bottle, in a tub, and it has a white cap in it. When you open, you have this beautiful pale blue kind of a gel. So this is how the moisturizer looks like, and this retails for rupees of 595, and you get 50 grams of the product, which is quite good. Yeah, not super affordable and not super high, it's somewhere in between. So this texture, I absolutely love this gel kind of a texture. Let me just show you. So this is how it looks like. It is a beautiful hydrating gel, so it's great for all skin types. It hydrates my skin and moisturizes my skin so well, especially if you have like oily to combination skin. This moisturizer is so good, guys. As you can see, it's like you have drunk so much of gallons of water and your skin just hydrates and looks super nourished and glowy. I absolutely love this moisturizer. So if you have like oily to combination skin and if you're looking for a perfect moisturizer, you can definitely give this a try. So I would rate it definitely 10 on 10 for sure. Next, I'm going to speak about the Watermelon Super Glow Matte Moisturizer. Again, it has this frosted glass packaging with a white cap in it, and when you open, there's this jelly kind of a texture and it has such consistency. Again, it retails for $5.95 and you get 50 grams of the product. It is again a gel kind. It's like a peach gel, but it is not as hydrating as the 72-hour hydrating gel moisturizer. So this is how the texture look like. It is a thick gel kind of a texture. So this is how the texture looks like. Once it is blend, it makes your skin look matte and not hydrating or glowy like the hydrating one. I dislike this one because of its strong fragrance, some kind of a strong fragrance. I'm not that good at identifying fragrance, guys, but this fragrance is not that great and it just mattifies my skin so much that my skin feels dry after an hour or two, even though I have oily skin. That's why I have not used it much and I just dislike this according to my experience. But yeah, if you are looking for a good matte moisturizer, you may try if you're not that sensitive to fragrance in skincare products. So I would rate this somewhere around 6 out of 10 for sure. Next, let's just speak about this cutie mini Cica calming night gel. So this is the mini variant that I got to try from Smitten app, and this again has this green tub with a cute little white cap. Yeah, I absolutely love this cute mini packaging, and inside we have this gel. It is an empty now, so there's not much of the product inside, but let me just try to show you. This one is pretty good for again acne prone skin, especially if you want to calm down your acne or any inflammation on your skin. You can definitely try this one. And this looks like a light green moisturizing gel, and again this one provides a beautiful hydrating finish. It is not as matte as the watermelon one, and this one works great on acne prone skin and if you have like irritated or inflamed skin. This Cica calming gel is so good. Once I emptied my moisturizers in my skincare rack, I'm just gonna purchase this one and try out the full size one for sure. So I will rate this one a 9 on 10. So the last moisturizer that I'm going to speak about is this Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Skin Barrier Cream. So this is the face cream. It is a 100-gram packaging tube. It's a classic packaging. This is simple and quite good. So this retails for around $3.95 and you get 100 grams of the product, which is something great, right? The quality is so good. Just nourishes the skin so well and it does not make the skin look oily or greasy or dull, and that's why my mom absolutely loves it so much and she has emptied 2 to 3 tubes of it. If she has repeatedly using a product, it means that it is so good. So she's not a skincare enthusiast, but in my compulsion she's using it and she loves it so much. So if you have normal to dry skin, or if you have like patchy dry skin somewhere on your face or on your body as well, you can definitely give this a try. And yeah, I would rate this absolutely 10 on 10 for sure. So that's about the face wash, moisturizer, and now I'm gonna speak about the one sunscreen that I've tried, and this review has reached so many of you. So today I'm gonna speak about the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E sunscreen. So this is the super bright sunscreen. It has SPF of 50 and PA triple plus. It has UVA and UVB plus blue light protection. So this is a great sunscreen and it is also great for all skin types, mostly from like oily to normal skin. It's not that great for dry skin. So if you have dry skin, you can try the other variants. So let me just show you the consistency or the texture of the product. It's so lightweight, watery, and it is so good, you guys. So this is how the texture looks like, and it is super easily blendable. So this is how the sunscreen looks like. So after blending, this is how the sunscreen looks like. So it's super easily blendable, but make sure to moisturize your skin well before applying this sunscreen, or else it might end up piling up on your skin. So this is a good sunscreen. It's great for oily to normal skin. Yeah, it's super easily blendable and it's just rupees for 4.95 and you get 50 grams of the product. Yes, you can also check out my detailed review on this on my YouTube shorts, so you can definitely check them out, and I would give it a rating of 9.5 on 10. Next, yeah, this is a serum. I have tried few of the serums, but this one I definitely wanted to share it with you in part 1 of the video because it's one of my most favorite one, and I'm speaking about the 10% Niacinamide plus Cica serum. So this is a face serum and it is great if you have enlarged pores, oily skin, acne prone skin and any irritated or inflamed skin. So it contains 10% Niacinamide, Cica, and it has alpha-arbutin along with licorice and oatmeal. So it soothes your skin so well. It calms down your skin and inflammation, and also it helps with enlarged pores and excessive sebum production. It also helps to calm down acne, and also it helps with uneven skin tone, and it brightens the skin. It's like an overall skin concern it just takes care of in this one product, guys. So I absolutely love it so much. I've emptied this, as you can see, so I absolutely love it, and it retails for rupees 450 and it contains 20 ml of the product. The pricing is just definitely justified with its performance, guys. It is a great serum if you have the concerns that I mentioned right now, and you can definitely give it a try, and I would give this a rating 10 on 10 for sure. Next, I'm going to speak about their lip care products, and I have their Gloss Boss Lip Balm in all of their shades, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's a beautiful tube packaging. They relaunched this, and this is the relaunched version of the shades after getting all the customers' feedback regarding its formula and the leaky packaging. They have changed it to this one. Now it's not that much leaking as the previous one. It's great. It has a vitamin C plus E in it, and it also has SPF of 30, so it is definitely a must-have to have an SPF containing lip balm in your routine, guys, because even your lips tend to get tan, and I would highly recommend you to incorporate a SPF infused lip balm in your routine. So this is one of the a good lip balm, I would say, but for me, from my experience, few of these shades have separated in their formula. So the tint is separate and the oily butters in the formula has separated, so I am unable to show you all the shades of these, but you can definitely check out my Instagram channel where I have shown all of these shades and I've swatched it on my hands and on my lips, so you can definitely check them out. This is a good formula, guys. It retails for around $2.99, I guess, or $3.49, and you get around 12 grams of product. As far as the formula does not separate, it is so good. It's like a multi-purpose product. It's like a lip tint with SPF, and it also nourishes your lips so well. So you have like dry chappy lips, you can definitely give them a try. It is great, but when the formula separates, you are unable to use it right. That's the only one con that I have about this. Otherwise, I have absolutely love this product, guys. I used to use this every day during daytime, but few of the variants separated, so yeah, only 2 or 3 are still good, so I'm using those. So let me just show you one of the texture, how it looks like. So this is how the texture looks like. It's super medium pigmented, few shades are highly pigmented. It is super nourishing on the lips, and it also has SPF, so it's a great formulation, guys. It's a great buy, but if the formula doesn't separate, it's a very good one, and just for that I would reduce 1 point and I would give you 9 on 10. So the next lip care product that I'm going to speak about today is the lip sleeping mask. So this is a hydrating lip mask from Dot & Key, and this is it has like a watermelon fragrance in it. It retails for rupees 4.45 and you get around 21 ml of the product. It's a big tub, guys. It's a pretty big tub and it lasts forever for your lip care, and this is half the consistency and the packaging looks like. Let me just show you by swatching it. So this is how the lip mask looks like. It's very nourishing to your lips, and this is a great sleeping mask. Yeah, see how nourishing and hydrating it looks. So this is a great lip mask. It just nourishes your lips so well, and it's great to use during PM routine. If you have dry chapped lips and if you're looking for a good lip mask in a budget, you can definitely give this a try because little goes a long way, and this 21 grams of the product would empty after so many more months. So it's a definitely good product and I would rate it 9.5 on 10. So that's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to do part 2 of this video so soon or if you can wait. So do let me know and let me know which brand you want me to review next, like a one brand review. So it would be helpful for me as well. You can also share this video with your friends and family so it would be helpful for them as well. You can check out my Instagram page Stylefit for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. Yeah, if you like to watch such amazing self-care, makeup and fashion videos, long form videos, do subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon guys. So yeah, that's it for today. Until next time, bye bye.